To swap on Uniswap fee tier, you need to understand the basics of Uniswap and its fee structure. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. The platform uses a fee tier system to incentivize liquidity providers and traders. First, you need to connect your wallet to Uniswap. You can use a web wallet like MetaMask or a hardware wallet like Ledger. Once connected, you can navigate to the Uniswap interface and select the assets you want to trade. Uniswap has 3 fee tiers: 0.05%, 0.3%, and 1%. The fee tier you choose depends on your trading strategy and the assets you are trading. For example, if you are trading high-value assets, you may want to choose the lower fee tier to minimize your costs. To swap on Uniswap, you need to select the asset you want to trade, enter the amount, and choose the fee tier. You can also set a slippage tolerance, which determines how much the price can move before the trade is cancelled. Once you have entered all the details, you can confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. The processing time depends on the blockchain congestion and the fee tier you have chosen. It is essential to understand the risks involved in trading on Uniswap, including market volatility, liquidity risks, and smart contract risks. You should also be aware of the fees associated with each trade, including the trading fee, gas fee, and slippage. To minimize risks and maximize returns, you should use a reputable wallet, set a reasonable slippage tolerance, and monitor your trades closely. You should also stay up to date with market trends and adjust your trading strategy accordingly. In conclusion, swapping on Uniswap fee tier requires a basic understanding of the platform and its fee structure. By following these steps and best practices, you can trade cryptocurrencies safely and efficiently on Uniswap. Remember to always prioritize risk management and stay informed about market trends to maximize your returns.